Overall summary of K-1 visa journey to U.S. citizenship, step-by-step guide. Hi everyone, this is Dom from YourVisaGuy. If you're starting with a K-1 fiancé visa, here's what the full journey to U.S. citizenship looks like, simplified. First, the U.S. citizen files Form I-129F with the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. Once approved, your fiancé will attend an interview at the U.S. Embassy in their home country. If granted, they enter the U.S. and you must marry within 90 days. After marriage, you apply for adjustment of status. That's your green card application. If approved within the first 2 years of marriage, you'll receive a 2-year conditional green card. Before it expires, you file to remove conditions. Once approved, you receive your 10-year permanent resident card. After 3 years as a green card holder, if still married to your U.S. citizen spouse, you may apply for naturalization and become a U.S. citizen. From K-1 fiancé to U.S. citizenship, the journey typically takes about 4 to 6 years. If you want guidance every step of the way, message us. Let's make your American dream happen the right way. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more informative visa-related videos like this.